In the messy world of AIOs, all in ones, there's lots of different gimmicks and blinks out there. You know, you're gonna get different lighting, you're gonna get different crazy things, some pump is on the radiator, you know, so many different things out there. How do you know which one is the best? Well, that's what we do. This is the Cooler Master Master Liquid ML240L V2. But does this product, with its solid brand name by the way, can this product deliver its intended value? Let's find out. Hey guys, this is Chester here. You guys are watching our channel at Chester and Unboxing. So today we'll be taking a look at the Cooler Master ML240L. That's a lot of words. V2, version 2. So what does this product got to do? You know, how is this any different from all the other products out there? Let's take a look. This is actually a relatively new product that is a second generation in terms of their design and the way they make the cooler. So Cooler Master itself has actually been making AIOs, you know, for a very long time. You know, if you remember the Neptune series, the Sidon series. I can never get this out. Okay, yeah, but all along, you know, their models have not really been very good. Like the series have, it was never anything worth remembering. But maybe, just maybe, this will be one of the few that we'll actually remember, yeah? So, let's take a look at the box first, you know, before you open it up. So you have the standard brand. At the side, you know, all these particular specifications, which I'll go about in a short time. English, third gen, blah blah blah, and a couple of accessories included. Alright, so let's open. Which I how do you? Okay, let's open this up. Okay, so this is a 240 variant, meaning that it is actually 240 millimeters in terms of fan support. So it will support one fan here and it will support another fan here. Okay. And the version 2, what's the difference is the version 2 they actually feature improved performance and improved noise levels, because the very first version the fans were a little bit noisy. So they redesigned the fans to be actually more quieter, at the same time delivering more airflow and static pressure. Alright, let's talk about the pump first. So the pump is actually something new. It's actually their third generation pump. Okay, I have a find a way to put this down. Yeah, third generation pump. So in terms of the flow, it's actually less of a turbulence and actually more easy for the liquid to flow inside. It's not water, yeah, just to take note. Yeah, a lot of times we tend to have a misconception that inside is water. No, it's not. It's actually their special stuff. On the wire side, so they have one 3-pin, this is for power, and another custom 3-pin. So I believe later in the accessories portion you'll find this adapter from this to a standard ARGB 3-pin, the one that's universal, because this is kind of proprietary to me, looks like. Yeah, it's a proprietary to Cooler Master, so I'm not a fan of proprietary stuff, so that's me. So the pump, by the way, is also ARGB. So if you notice, they actually don't contain the words Cooler Master anymore. It's actually just a single perimeter. So the perimeter line, actually it will light up. So you can see here, it will light up to make an ARGB, and it's also configurable via software. Alright, moving on to the fans. Okay, before that, back to the radiator. So the radiator is actually made of aluminum, so it's not as good as copper, but it's still very respectable. Moving to the fans now, so I'm just going to open one. So these fans are actually redesigned, 120mm, meaning the length and breadth. This is a square, by the way. Yeah. So as you can see, it actually covers the entire surface area of the radiator, which means that it actually increases its static pressure, and that's a good thing, because when you are trying to push air through a heavy, dense object, you need more static pressure to push the air through so that you can increase the efficiency without increasing the speed of the fan, which by the way makes it more noisy. Sickle flow 120, yeah, that's right. So it comes with rubber pads to reduce the sound by vibration. And in terms of cables, it's a 4-pin PWM this time round, and the same ARGB connector, but it's very short. Yeah, the same one as the pump. Alright, and the other fan is identical as well. These fans run from 650 to 1800 RPM, 62 CFM of air, and it pushes static pressure of 2.5 mmH2. So that's a lot. In reference, right, other cheap fans that actually have about, low 2s to mid 1s, like 1 point something. Yeah, only those really very expensive fans like Corsair, yeah, they actually have like 3 point something mmH2. But the price tag is, woo, yeah. Okay, so in terms of the accessories, what do you get? You have quite a lot, as you can see here. So let's go through one by one. Okay, so first up, this is the Master Gel Pro. So this pump does not come with pre-applied thermal paste, so you have to put your own. So remember, just put a pea size and you're good. Okay, you have a fan connector, fan coupler by the way. So this is a good thing because when you connect two ARGB connectors together, the tendency is quite fragile. So you move a little bit, right, it's gonna break off. So what this does is it actually secures the connection so that it will not come off easily. Very good call. You have the base plate. So there are other mounting, so it comes with other mounting plates for Intel or AMD. So make sure you check which one you're using. Okay, screws for LGA 2011. That's about it. Yeah, this is the screws for mounting the base plate. Other screws. This is the radiator screws. So this is actually a good thing. You can actually see this is actually thumb screws. Yeah. So you don't need to only use a screwdriver, you can use your hand as well. Okay, this is an controller, ARGB controller. So in case your system does not support, your motherboard does not support the ARGB 3-pin, you can actually just connect it to this and you can actually press one button to control the different lighting settings if you want to. Okay, in terms of wiring, you have a single 4-pin splitter to two 4-pins, so you don't need to take up two fan headers on your motherboard because you have two fans. You can just use this. This is a adapter for the ARGB controller. So SATA power for power, and this connects to the board. Alright. Okay, and last but not least, we have I believe, yes, this will be your adapter for, just now I was saying, the proprietary cables for the ARGB side. So this will connect it to a standard 3-pin ARGB header on the motherboard. Alright, if not, quite a lot of accessories, but more than enough to get you started and installed. Alright, so if not, that's it for our unboxing and first look at the Cooler Master ML240L V2 ARGB AIO. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.